7 decimals. It has part 1, reading decimals, and part 2, writing decimals. So what is a decimal? A decimal is a number that represents numbers that are not whole. So pag sabi natin decimal, nire-represent niya yung mga numbers na hindi buo. So para din siyang fraction. Examples, 248 thousands and 7 and 6,031 ten thousands. This place value chart. So meron tayong example, 2 and 3,789 ten thousands. So tignan natin yung mga label ng bawat place value sa ating place value chart. So sa decimal po tayo magpo-focus today. So syempre yun yung ones. Then we have the decimal point. Then the first number on the after the decimal point or to the right of the decimal point is tens. Opo, wala po tayong ones sa tens agad. Hundreds, thousands, ten thousands. Again po, after the decimal point, we have tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands. So, pwede natin ulit-ulitin yan para ma-memorize natin. Now, let us have part 1, reading decimals. How to read a decimal. So, we have steps. Step 1, identify the place value of the rightmost digit. Read all the numbers to the right of the decimal as if reading whole numbers. Add the place value of the rightmost digit. And if there is a whole number, read the whole number first. Then read the decimal point end. So, para mas maintindihan natin yan, meron tayong mga examples. Example number 1. So, we have this number. Ang basa pa natin dyan ay 0.2487. So, ganyan natin yung binabasa. So, tingnan natin kung paano ba natin yan tamang basahin. So, we have here the number. So, identify muna natin yung place value ng rightmost digit. So, ang rightmost digit natin ay 7. So, isa-isay natin. So, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands. So, para mabasa yung ating number, ay basahin natin ngayon yung number as a whole number. Yung decimal ha. So, we have 2,487 ten thousands. So, ang ginawa natin, binasa natin yung number as whole number, then dinagdag natin yung place value nung 7, which is 10 thousands. So, kaya siya naging 2,487 ten thousands. Example number 2. So, now, let us identify the place value of the rightmost digit. So, we have the number 9. So, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, thousands po yung idadagdag natin. So, basahin natin yung number. So, we have 49. So, the answer is 49 thousands. Then, let us have last example, number 3. So, meron na tayong whole number dyan. So, anahin muna natin yung place value ng rightmost digit. So, we have 7 again. So, tens, hundreds. So, isulat muna natin si 10. So, 10 and, kasi may whole number, yung decimal gagawin natin and 10 and 7 hundredths. So, part 2 tayo, writing decimals. How to write a decimal. Step 1, identify the place value of the decimal. Determine the number of digits the decimal has. So, if there is no whole number, write a 0 before the decimal point. So, tingnan natin. Add zeros as placeholder if necessary. So, we have here, write 78 hundredths in symbols. So, we have here the word hundredths. So, ibig sabihin, ang place value natin ay hundredths. So, since walang whole number, lagyan natin yung 0. Ayun nga po. Then, hundredths, we have 2 decimal places. So, then, identify the number. So, we have 78. So, sulat natin yung 78. So, kasya na yan sa dalawang linya natin. So, 7, 8. So, the answer is 78 hundredths. Then, example number 2, write 34 10,000s in symbols. So, identify natin place value. We have 10,000s. So, since walang whole number, 0 na yan. Then, we have 4 place or decimal places. 4 decimal places tayo kasi yun ang 10,000s. Then, the number is 34. So, ulahin natin sa dulo, ano yung 34. So, 34, yung dalawang dulo. Then, sabi kanina, kapag kailangan ng 0 as placeholder, maglalagay tayo. So, lagyan tayo ng dalawang 0. So, ang answer natin yan ay yan nga po. So, that is how we write 34 10,000s. Example number 3, what is 9 and 4 tenths in symbols? So, meron na tayo ngayong diyang whole number. So, sulat muna natin yan 9. Then, tenths. So, pag sa tenths po, ilang decimal places? Yes, isa. So, isa. Then, ano nilagay natin number dyan ng decimal ay 4. So, lagay lang natin 4. So, that is how we write 9 and 4 tenths. Example number 4, what is 12 and 610 thousandths in symbols? So, meron ulit tayong whole number, 12. Then we have 10,000. So, apat na decimal places. Then we have 600. So, how do we write 600? Ilang digits yon? So, tatlo. So, we have 600. Pupunuin muna natin mula sa dulo. Then, add 0 as placeholder. So, that is how we write 12 and 610 thousandths in symbol. So, that is part 1 ng ating decimals, o part 1 and part 2. So, thank you and God bless.